This message isn't for everyone, but you'll know that this message is for you if you're the type of person who has always given all your life. Giving and sacrificing yourself has never been hard. In fact, it was your normal. Giving and sacrificing was your reality. And for so many years, you have thought that this is your destiny. But something in you, something inside of you knows and are magnetized to an abundant and luxurious life. If you are that person, this message is for you. This year, 2026, you are going to be financially abundant. You are stepping into a version of you that you didn't realize you had in you. Last year, it was the year of endings for you. So many things surfaced that you didn't even know still existed. So many things from your past surfaced and showed up to be healed, to be recognized, so that you can let go of them completely, to give them the endings. And this year, you're going to be financially abundant. You're going to be abundant in love, abundant in people who are really meant to work with you, people who are really meant to find you, aligned people. Last year was hard because it's preparing you for this coming year, this version of you, the higher version of you. And I hope you're ready for that. Spirit has your back. You will be going to places you never really thought you're going to. But something inside of you has always known that you're meant for bigger things, that you're meant for luxury. You appreciate and love simple things, but you love luxury because you are meant to be living a luxurious life. And this year, you'll be touching things and going to places that you always just used to see on social media. You see other people go to. You have manifested this year for you. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but it's going to be very abundant. You have to make space for this in your life. But for now, it's time to heal. It's time to let go of what's no longer serving you. Just let it flow out of your life if it wants to be out of your life. Stop chasing the things that aren't meant for you anymore. Because if you have an abundant mindset, you know that even though it's not logically possible yet, that if there are no proofs yet, you just know. You just trust. You just have this feeling inside of you that it is meant for you. You were born to be this abundant. I'm really so excited for you, and I hope you're taking care of yourself. The first thing to actually realize is there are responsibilities. With great power comes great responsibilities is coming up for me. And for this to come into your life, you have to take full responsibility of yourself, of your body, of your container. Because your body will have to hold this much energy. You have been taught all your life to help, to please, to overgive. Because this is the balance that you'll need. Just believe in yourself. Believe in the weird things about you. Believe in the impossible things. And what's coming up for me right now is that you have these ideas that seem weird and impossible and not normal, and maybe something that you only kept to yourself. It's about time these things come to fruition. It's about time you put these things out, because ideas are given to us by God. The creativity, all these are meant to be shared. And final message and we are just simply back to the Buffalo Spirit. It's funny because there's a message about this card that I forgot to say early on, and now it has come out for me so that I'll be reminded of it. I really, really love my guides and my spirit team. Thank you so much. Okay, the message that I was supposed to tell you guys is that you are meant to be a villain right now. Okay, by villain, I'm not saying you're gonna have to be cruel or gonna have to be unkind to people. This villain energy that I see you stepping into is a version of you that stands up for yourself, that doesn't over explain, that doesn't have to always put other people first. This time you're being called to stand up for yourself, because standing up for yourself means that you are making space for God to move through you. I love you and thank you. Good luck.